Welcome to our video today. In this clip, we will show you step-by-step how to unlock the Hamster Kombat Daily Combo card for June 30. If you didn't manage to get the Daily Cipher code, the video with detailed information is linked in the description. Step 1. Go to the Daily Combo section. Then you will see empty cards. Tap on the section labeled Legal, then look for the card labeled KYB, and click Go Ahead. Once you finish, the card will be unlocked. Now it's time to go to the second card. Don't forget to subscribe to get our daily videos. For the second card, go to the PR and Team section, then scroll down to find the card named Tokenomics Expert. Tap it, then tap Go Ahead. If you liked the video, don't hesitate to subscribe, like, and comment. The final step is to input the third card, which we find in the Specials section. Tap that section, then tap New Card. Look for the card labeled TL Leaders. It will open, then tap Go Ahead. Wait a bit, and you will receive a message saying, "The combo is completed, you're doing great." You will see 5 million coins, and you will finish by tapping Take the Prize. When you go back up, you will see all the cards already unlocked. Don't forget to subscribe to get our daily videos.